In this tutorial, we will make trending logo transition using Filmora Mobile. Now, open Filmora Mobile app. Then click on New Project and select your video here. Then click on Import. This is the video where we will make logo transition. Firstly, we will trim out these clips. For splitting, use these tools. Now, come to first frame of video like this. And take snapshot of logo here clearly. For removing background, I am using this website, which is absolutely free. It remove background very easily. Now, download it from here. Now, come back to Filmora Mobile. Now, import your logo on timeline from here. Then place this logo like this. Here, I am trying to fit this logo on background logo. After it, split this logo like this. Now, come to first frame of second video. And then add keyframe like this. And then, scroll left and relocate this logo like this. The effect is ready now. Now, we will add zoom transition from here. Now it's ready to export. We will watch Creator Hub, which is specially introduced by Filmora for the creators. For it, click here. Here, you may learn by watching these videos, which is created by different creators all over the world. You can easily make impressive and captivating videos after learning these Filmora tutorials. For playing this tutorial, simply click on it. In Creator Hub, there is an activity section where different type of activity is going on. You may check it out.